Hi, my name is Sonali.
And I'm Aman.
This is my little brother. Today, we're gonna make chocolate-covered strawberries for our grandpa. It's his birthday, so we couldn't miss out. You'll need candy melts and chocolate wafers,
Plates and
strawberries,
Oh.
2 bowls,
Two bowls.
if you're using 2 of these, and 2 spoons.
If you
So number 1, we'll open this.
okay, got to open the candy melt. Okay. Okay, and now pour the candy, not pour, but put the candy melts into the bowl.
Okay, Seth.
Taste. Okay, that's yummy.
This is cookies and cream flavor.
Yeah.
I love cookies and cream, it's my favorite.
Mine too.
We've got both of them in the bowls, and I'm gonna put it
And now we need to microwave it. Yeah. And wait for it to melt.
I'll have to take breaks, 10 seconds. We usually have to check on the candy melts so they don't burn.
Yeah. You don't want your candies to burn.
It's starting to melt.
Now. Okay. So we're gonna microwave it again.
I'm gonna take the one red one out.
Okay.
Here, your job, mix.
Okay. My job is to mix now. Okay.
Stir, stir, stir.
I'm not really doing much. I'm just stirring.
Okay, this one needs more. I'm gonna get some forks for us to dip the strawberries in.
Okay.
Now,
Okay, so now we can dip the strawberries.
dip it inside.
Okay, I'm gonna dip this one.
You need more. Here's a close-up. Okay, now try dipping them.
Okay. Ooh.
Not that good at drizzling.
And not that good at dipping. No, no.
We're dropping some on the kitchen counter. So this is how it turned out.
Wow.
Doesn't it look delicious?
Yeah, it looks very delicious. And I bet you it would be delicious.
And now I'm going to make a flower bouquet using this felt. So the things you'll need is felt, of course, green and red, some straws, scissors, tape, marker, stapler, and ribbon. So first you'll want to fold the red piece. To thirds. Like this. And then you'll want to cut the sides. I'm not that good at cutting, so I divided it into 3 pieces. Then I put tape in the middle of the felt. I marked it so it would be easy for me to cut it. So now you have to fold this top part into this hole. And then you have to properly put it out. Like this. It should look like this. And then you have to go back in and go out. Go back in. Go back out. Done. Now you're going to staple the straw at this end. And then you twist it like this. Then you're going to put it in any one of these holes. Like this. I'm now going to stick these leaves onto the stems. It will look something like this. Oh, it should now look like this when it's all together. I found this random plastic folder cover thing, and I'm going to make the flowers look fancy by wrapping it around like this. And I'm going to use this ribbon to make it even more fancy. I'm going to wrap it around like this. It's really tight. This is what the finished product will look like. It's pretty, isn't it? I really hope our grandpa likes this. If you like it too, maybe leave a like or subscribe.
Yeah.
It would be really helpful.